Bonne année. Bonne année. Happy New Year. Soupjoumou. Soupjoumou. Pumpkin soup. Pumpkin soup. Haïtien boit soupe Joumou 1er janvier. Haïtien boit soupe Joumou 1er janvier. Haitians drink pumpkin soup on January 1st. Liberté. Liberté. Freedom. Freedom. Objektif. Objektif. Goals. Ma bat pour manger qui bon pour moi. Ma bat pour manger qui bon pour moi. I'll try to eat healthy. I'll try to eat healthy. M'a commencé al nan gym. M'a commencé al nan gym. I'll start going to the gym. I'll start going to the gym. Anessa mwen vle focus. Anessa mwen vle focus. This year, I wanna focus. Anessa map marié. Anessa map marié. This year, I'll get married. Anessa map changé travail. Anessa map changé travail. This year, I'll get a new job. Anessa map parti. Anessa map parti. This year, I'll move abroad. Anessa map bati yon kay. Anessa map bati yon kay. This year, I'll build a house. Ke ane kap vini pote succès pou. Ke ane kap vini pote succès pou. May the coming year bring success to you. Mwen souhaite ou santé ak prospérité. Mwen souhaite ou santé ak prospérité. I wish you health and prosperity. Anessa m'a levé bonheur. Anessa m'a levé bonheur. This year, I'll wake up early. Anessa m'a ouvri yon business. Anessa m'a ouvri yon business. This year, I'll start a business. Anessa mwen prale au Brésil. Anessa mwen prale au Brésil. This year, I'm going to Brazil. Anessa mwen ap apran pale français. Anessa mwen ap apran pale français. This year, I learned to speak French. Année sa, m'a passé plus temps ak fami mwen. Année sa, m'a passé plus temps ak fami mwen. This year, I'm going to spend more time with my family. Année sa, mwen prale en Allemagne. Année sa, mwen prale en Allemagne. This year, I'm going to Germany. Année sa, mwen ap apren pale anglais. Année sa, mwen ap apren pale anglais. This year, I learned to speak English. Ou pa gen lot chwa ke avanse. Ou pa gen lot chwa ke avanse. You have no choice but to move forward. Yon nouvel ane, yon nouveau chapitre. Yon nouvel ane, yon nouveau chapitre. New year, a new chapter. Ane sa, mwen panse al nan kou de dans. Ane sa, mwen panse al nan kou de dans. This year, I'm planning to take dance classes. Ane sa, mwen ka al nan kou piano. Ane sa, mwen ka al nan kou piano. This year, I might take some piano lessons. Ki sa wap chanje ane sa? Ki sa wap chanje ane sa? What are we going to change this year? Ane sa, mwen pap travay di kon sa. Ane sa, mwen pap travay di kon sa. This year, I'm not working so much. Mwen gen an pil proje pou ane sa. Mwen gen an pil proje pou ane sa. I have a lot of plans for this year. Chak jou, se pi bonjou nan ane an. Chak jou, se pi bonjou nan ane an. Every day is the best day of the year. Sikonstans ou yo pa ka determine kote ou ka ale. Sikonstans ou yo pa ka determine kote ou ka ale. Your present circumstances can't determine where you can go. Se chanjman ki fe la vi. Se chanjman ki fe la vi. Life is about change. Bay viw yon lot direksyon. Bay viw yon lot direksyon. Take your life in a new direction. Ane sa, mwen ap apran pale Espanyol. Ane sa, mwen ap apran pale Espanyol. This year, I learned to speak Spanish. Gen maji nan nouvo komansman yo. Gen maji nan nouvo komansman yo. There's magic in the new beginnings. Mwen panse achete yon lot machin. Mwen panse achete yon lot machin. I'm thinking of buying a new car. Jou Independence Haiti. Jou Independence Haiti. Haitian Independence Day.